How to use Wrike as a complete beginner. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be telling you a detailed tutorial on Wrike and how you can use it to better your business and better your teamwork. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to Wrike.com, and over here all you have to do is sign up on their website. So the great thing about Wrike is that they're basically offering a free tutorial or a trial for you to try out Wrike, and if you don't like it, you can just switch to other team building and team managing software such as Trello and ClickUp. But for now, let's just stick to Wrike and see what it offers. So to get started, all you have to do is simply click on start for free, or just simply enter in your email over here and click on start your free trial. So I'm gonna click on start for free at the top right corner over here, and all I have to do is enter in my email. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter in my email, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Now once you've entered in your email, the website will look something like this. It's basically after asking you how to verify your email. You can verify your email by clicking on Gmail or Outlook, whichever one you choose, and let's just go ahead and verify our email. And as you can see, we're created our account and our account has been verified. And then the next, all we have to do is simply enter in our name, create a password, enter in our phone number, add the work email, and then we're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill out this form, and I will catch you guys in the next part of this video. So next, they're going to ask you, what do you do? So basically what they're asking is, what do you basically want to use Wrike for? So you want to use it for project management, service or consulting, marketing, sales, and IT and legal stuff, and etc, etc. So let's just click on project management, and then they're going to ask us how large is our company. So anywhere between 2 to 50 employees. Now over here we can invite our teammate by simply adding their email address and then just simply clicking on next. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of fake email addresses, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. So once you've entered in all the details, so you've signed up, you've entered in all the other details that this website had asked for, so you set up your employees and you've added some of your friends. Now all that's left is to choose a template. So over here, as we can see, we have couple of different options to choose a template from. So we have remote work, we have project with dependencies, project with phases, requests with approval, professional services, Kanban, event management, and many more. And over here on the left side we have other categories as well. So we have marketing and creativity. So over here, these are going to be the template for this specific niche. For IT and engineering, this is going to be all the other templates. For operations, we have sales operation and business operations. For services and consulting, we have these two right here. And if we want, we can click on all templates, and these will be available to us. So you can just simply select a template if you want. For me, I'm just simply going to skip for now because it really suit my workspace and the type of work that I do. The first thing that you see is that we don't have boards or stuff like that right at the beginning. We have what Wrike calls spaces. So over here we have 3 different spaces. As you can see, we have personal space, we have projects with phases, and we have teams. And we'll get into that in a bit, but let's just explore for a bit. And down below we have recents and we have pins. So over here we will find projects or folders that you have recently interacted with, and down here we have pinned projects that we have pinned, that we can easily find them here later. And over here on the right side we have a lot of things going on. So we have my to-do list, we have created by me, we have starred tasks. So basically, if you have some tasks that you like or that you want to remember them or that are important, you can just simply start them and they will be over here. Down below we have calendars, timesheet, dashboard, reports, and all the other stuff as well. So that is how it basically looks like. It's very simple, it's very easy at the beginning. So let's just dive in and get the full experience of Wrike. So over here we have, as I mentioned before, we have 3 of them. So let's just go into the personal space for now. Now you can change the name of the personal to whatever you want, but basically what the Wrike wants is that you have your own personal space. Over here you can create your own basic tasks for yourself. So keep track of all the projects that you are involved in, all the projects that you are managing, and stuff like that. So over here, as you can see, we have lists. These are all the tasks that we have. We can add more tasks if we want by simply clicking on the add button or clicking on this green button at the top right corner over here. So if we click on add, we can add a task or a project or folder, a space, or a request as well. And over here on the left side, we have my to-do list, basically things that you have to do, as I said before. And then you have created by me. These are going to be all the tasks and project managing and other things that you have been created. So as you can see, we have a lot of things that are pre-made for us. We don't have to create them manually, and we can edit them out later as well to your own project or whichever project that you are involved in. And then down below we have start project, as I mentioned that in the beginning as well. And down below we have, this is our personal board. So over here we can add tasks, move them on and completed and on hold as well. So for example, this is a task. Let's just say that it is a task that we are editing. It's basic, so, and it's been completed or is in progress. We just drag it over here in progress. We can see that this task is being progressed, and if we've completed, just move it on. Or if you want this project to be on hold, just simply move that. It's very easy thing. It works. It's just basically a Trello as well, and ClickUp, but with a lot more features and a lot more complexity as well. So down here we have projects and folders. So as you can see, we have no projects or folders created. So to create a project and folder, all you have to do is simply click on the plus button over here, and over here, as you can see, we have two options. We have project and folder. So if we want another completely different folder and have projects within that folder, we can do that. But if you want to have just like a straightforward, if you want to have a project right out in the open, you don't want to go in, then simply just choose the folder. And over here, as you can see, we have some couple of templates that we want. So you can have lists, we can have boards, we can have tables, we can have Gantt charts, whichever one that is specific to your liking. Just simply choose that and then just simply click on create. Oh, before I forget, you also have to name that project as well. So name that project and then select the template that you want, and also select the start date and finish date of that project, and then just simply click on create. So you have now created your own personal task. So let's just go back to the home, and over here, as you can see, we have projects with phases, and in here this is basically similar. So you can change this project and phase to whichever one you want. You can simply add in like, so if you have so for example, if you're working with multiple teams and are on multiple projects, you can create more spaces and then add people inside those spaces and give them specific tasks and specific goals that they have to complete before the deadline. So how do you create a space? So to create a space, all you have to do is click on this green button at the top right corner, click on it, and then just simply click on space, and all you have to do is then add the members of that space and enter the name of that space over here, and then add the description. And now you can set the type to private, which means that this space can only be joined via invite from the admin. Basically, only people that I have selected or that I have to add are going to be in this space, or public. So that is what private means. But if you set it to public, anyone in the workspace can view and join this space if they want. So that depends upon you. And then you can also change the icon of this work to whichever one you want. So basically, let's just say that it is a work, and then let's just change the color of that icon to blue, because I like blue color and it matches with the theme. And then all you have to do is simply click on create, and that is it. So basically, this is how it is. You've created a project. Over here you have created a to-do list. Just add in the different tasks and assign those tasks to different members of the team, and then over here create the boards for the members, and so that you can track them. And over here you will have new tasks, and then your teammates will work on them, and then they will move that task into the in progress section, and they will continue to work on it, and they will like move it to the completed section, and then you can view that specific project. Now if you want to cancel a project, just simply drag it over to the cancel section or on hold section, and they will be notified as well. Now over here down below, if you want to add more participants, it has the small add for users at the bottom right corner over here. Click on add users, and you will be able to add more users, add in more, enter in the email, select the type of users, and then just simply click on invite users, and all the emails that you have entered in, all the users, they will receive this invite, and they will accept it, and they will be joined on this project as well. So that was it for the spaces and how you can create spaces and add teams to it. add different members to it, add projects, and create different projects and stuff like that. Now let's just come over to here on the inbox section. As you can see, we have something over here. Now over here, this will be your inbox section. This will also keep track of your activity and of all the messages of all the people that have tagged you or that you have tagged them. This is basically your activity log of all the messages that you've sent or received as well. And over here, like if you click on this button over here, which has more, and over here at the bottom, as you can see, we have a recycle bin. So if you have deleted a project or task that you want to delete, it will be over here. And if you want to restore them, you can just simply restore them from over here as well. So that is it for Wrike. As you can see, it is a very easy to use software. Not as easy as Trello, I would say this. Like if I wanted to use a team management software, I would definitely use Trello because it is a much more easier to use. It is less complicated, it is less messy. Basically what Wrike is for bigger organization, for bigger teams that handle multiple projects like that, and I'm saying like 20 or 30 projects at once. Wrike is for that person that has to handle 30 projects at once. So for normal people, I would suggest that to use Trello, but if you want to use Wrike, go ahead, be my guest. And if that is it for this video. So let me know in the comment section below which project management software or tool you use and you find is one of the best there is, and we'll see which one is the best. And having said that, if you guys enjoyed the video, and having said that, if you have any other questions about Wrike or any other tool management software or any other questions related to this video, please let me know in the comment sections down below and I will make sure to get back to them. So having said that, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and please turn on the notification, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.